Hey guys, how you doing? This is Shadow Trader. Today we have a great video about moneymaker patterns, so be with us. We'll be back. Welcome back, guys. This is Shadow Trader. Before I start, I wanted to tell you we will be grateful if you leave a like and subscribe to our channel. This video has two parts. This is the part one, and if you like this video, please tell me in the comment that I should make the part two for you guys. Thank you. Be with us. So in this video we want to talk and show examples of some of the best and some of the most certain patterns that you can make $1,000 in these patterns. Okay, so I want to show you the examples in the live charts. Okay, so for start, we want to start with the one of my favorite charts, New Zealand to Japanese yen, of course, and we want to first see and find an example for the first pattern. At the first, we want to find the first pattern that is one of the best pattern exists in the forex. It's called double bottom or double top. Okay, so for start, I am going to show you an example of double top. Okay, so this is a good example of double top. As you see, we have in here a zone, as you see, that once it's pushed in this zone, and second, in here the price has a rejection and a great react to the double top zone. Okay, so let's draw this zone. As you see, we have a great example of double top. Okay, so where should we enter at the double top? We should wait, and when the price once touch a zone, a resistance zone or a support zone, of course that should be a major zone. Okay, so when the price touch a support zone or resistance zone once, we should wait to price to touch again that zone. Okay, this is how you see a nice and well respected double top pattern or double bottom pattern. Okay, so where should we enter? We have a neckline here. Neckline is the place that touched by the first top, okay, and create a thing like a shoulder. Okay, so this is our neckline. Where should we enter? We should enter at the second top in here. Okay, when the price show us a bullish sign or a bearish sign, we should enter for a short or a long position and wait for TP until the next major zone like this. Okay, this is a good example of double top and how you should trade it. Okay, like this, very easy. Look at the risk to reward, that's insane. So this is the double top pattern, as I told you, and let's look for a double bottom pattern that is the same as the double top, but it's on the bottom. Exactly. So as you see in here, we have a great double top and a big double top. Oh, nice. In here, in the first bottom, as you see, the price had support. Okay, so we wait to price to touch this zone again in here. Okay, so what should I do? I should take a long position until the next major zone. In this theory, we look for a major resistance zone that is in here. Okay, that is the neckline 2. We can wait. As you see, when I open this trade and position, I'm in the profit until the TP. Double top and double bottom, these are a great example for these patterns, and you can work with this pattern very easily. As I told you, you don't need to wait the price to break the neckline and after the retest you enter this trade. No, when you enter the position at the top or at the bottom, two things may happen. Okay, it can price can reach the neckline and support again and touch the zone again and make a triple bottom or triple top. Okay, but when the price touch a zone once or twice, it makes a double top or double bottom. Okay, so we wait. When the price broke the neckline, we should set our SL at entry and leave the price to goes fly until the next major zone or at the end of the double top or double bottom. Okay, like this example that I told you. So the next pattern that I'm very enthusiastic about is head and shoulders. Of course, most of you know what the head and shoulder is. I show you a picture of head and shoulders, but when I see the chart, I can't find the clean head and shoulders. Most of the time, a right shoulder or the left shoulder is so. In here, we have a shoulder. In here, we have a head. And what should we do when we see a head and a shoulder, a left shoulder or a right shoulder? Okay, we should draw a zone like here, as you see. Okay, we can enter short position at the right shoulder. That is beautiful. And when the price broke the neckline in the head and shoulder and in the double bottom or double top, we should wait to price to complete the pattern. Okay, like the double top or like the head and shoulders, these are one of the most money maker patterns that you can find in the forex, like this example that I show you. Okay, so let's find a reverse head and shoulder that is one of the most. Oh, look at this, what are you seeing right now? Let's do it. As you see in here, we have a left shoulder. Price goes and create a head in here. Okay, so what should we do? We should create a zone in the left shoulder as in here. Okay, a little bit, yes, that's great. When the price touch this zone again, we should enter long until the next major zone that is in here, or we should wait to price to complete the head and shoulders in here. When the price broke the neckline, we should wait the price to touch our TP and complete the pattern. Okay, so that's very easy. When you pattern trading, like double top trading or head and shoulder trading, one of the most common thing that's happened to you is high win rate, because you trade less and gain more. Okay, so that is a very great way to increase your income. Just searching for pattern in the forex currencies, and when you find one, you should know how to trade this pattern, and after that, boom, you make money. You make money easily. So the next pattern that I am going to show you is when the price is in the trend. Okay, for example, when the price is in a bullish trend or a bearish trend, you should look for this pattern that I'm going to show you. Okay, so the next pattern is one of the most common pattern in the market, but you should find it in a trend or end of a trend. That doesn't matter. But in the trend, you can find this pattern called rectangle. I show you a picture of this pattern. Okay, so when the price is in a trend like this, euro to yen, we should find a rectangle like this. Okay, that is mostly shown by two top and two bottom. Okay, this pattern is showing by two top and two bottom. Okay, as you see, the price has a rest in here in the rectangle, and when the price broke the rectangle and had a nice and fine retest on it, you should see the next incoming wave. Okay, so the next pattern is in here. Okay, as you see, price had a fake out in here and re-enter this rectangle again, but in here and in here we have a support. You can open long position on the second touch and wait the price to reach the next major zone. As you see, we have two great examples in this trend, and we can find it more even. I feel I should show you more of this pattern. So as you see in here, we have a bearish trend. Okay, in here we have a nice rectangle that the price had a fake out above the rectangle in here. Oh, great. As you see, when the price fake out some of the patterns like rectangle or double top, you should know that the resistance that is on the top of the rectangle is going to act very, very good. So if I'm here, if the price was here, I should enter short and put my SL above the fake out and wait until the next major zone that is in here, as you see. Okay, as you see, the price touched this zone very quickly and very good profit. Look at the risk to reward. That's telling you all the things that you should know. So look for a rectangle in a trend and wait for a breakout at the bottom or at the top, and after that you will see the next impulse move like here and like the previous examples, and that's it. You can look for patterns that are actually works and make money with the patterns. Pattern trading is one of the common ways to increase your skill in trading. Okay, so I hope you enjoy my information. And before I end this video, I wanted to tell you, you are the best. You are the reason that we are here. But we will be grateful if you subscribe to us. And we have a Telegram channel that is a great way to increase your income. And the shadow trader teams provide you daily analysis or daily signals, and in gold, US 13, volatility index, crypto. We are master of everything. Yes, exactly. And I am very grateful for having you. Please join to our Telegram channel. Please join and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We will be grateful. And we have a course actually that is a golden strategy. Uh, we created this strategy, and it can help you to increase your win rate until 80%, honest 80%. Okay, so if you want any information, we have an admin in Telegram, and you can go and ask the admin. Okay, so good luck, shadow traders. We will be back in the next video.